Quick question. What's slowing down your content creation? If you guessed editing, you're spot on. But yeah, you're pretty close if you guessed it was missing AI stuff, because AI can seriously lift your editing game. In fact, it could totally do it all for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 best video editing apps for iPhone in 2025 with AI features that are revolutionizing the creator game. These apps are leveling the playing field for everyone, whether you're new to editing or a pro. We'll explore how smart editing on your iPhone can turn everyday moments into viral hits. CapCut brings a studio to your pocket, VN offers precision, and InVideo adds total workflow AI magic. Ready to unlock your iPhone's true potential? Let's dive in. Imagine you're at an awesome concert, the energy is crazy, and you want to post it online. But your raw footage looks, well, not quite how you remember it. That's where CapCut comes in. This app's becoming a hit for making edits look pro real quick. CapCut's multi-track editing is seriously impressive. It's like assembling a miniature film studio right in your pocket. You can do all the same video, audio, and effects layering that you would on your computer. Picture that shaky concert video all polished up into a cool music video. You add a great filter, layer in some text, and auto-sync edit cuts to the beat of the music. Suddenly, your average phone video looks like it was made by a pro. And here's where it gets even cooler. CapCut's got some more AI tricks up its sleeve. It can remove backgrounds, generate captions, and even suggest edits. It's like having a little pocket editing assistant right there with you. But let's be real, it's not all smooth sailing. If you're new to video editing, CapCut's extensive effects library might feel a bit overwhelming at first. You might find yourself spending more time playing with effects than actually editing your video. And while CapCut supports exports to up to 4K resolution, some users have reported that the quality doesn't quite match up to high-end desktop software, especially for complex projects. Now, these are challenges, but with practice, you can overcome them and create some pretty amazing content. Here's the kicker. CapCut's not just for small-time creators. There are actual case studies showing that viral content has been created using this app. We're talking videos that have blown up on TikTok and Instagram. So if you're dreaming of going viral, CapCut might be your ticket. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media or create the next big internet sensation, CapCut's got the tools to help you make it happen. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about VN Video Editor, the app that's taking mobile editing to the next level for serious content creators. While CapCut's great for general use, VN steps up the game with cinematic tools that rivals desktop software. In fact, you can use this on your desktop just like CapCut too. But here's the question that's on everyone's mind. Is it worth yet another learning curve? Let's dive into VN's standout features. The color grading tools and keyframe animation capabilities are seriously impressive. You can adjust every aspect of your footage with precision, from highlights to shadows, and create complex animations that will make your viewers' jaws drop. Imagine having a personal motion design team working right on your phone. That's the power VN puts in your hands. Now, I'll be straight with you, VN's interface isn't exactly a walk in the park. And although it started out its development journey as an app that I'd recommend just for beginners, these days it's totally good for intermediate to advanced editors too, and it shows. You will need to invest some time to master it, but don't let that scare you. There are plenty of in-app tutorials and online guides to help you get started. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever edited without it. Okay, let's break this down a little bit more. VN Editor is known for its high export quality, making it suitable for both personal projects and professional work if you do it. Now, this is a huge advantage over many other mobile editing apps that often compromise on quality. You can create content that looks just as polished as if you'd edited it on a computer. But here's something to keep in mind. VN is a bit of a power-hungry app. If you're using an older device, you might run into some performance issues. So if you're planning to use VN, make sure your smartphone is up to the task. Despite these challenges, many high-end mobile content creators have successfully successfully used VN Video Editor to produce stunning videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. It really shows how well the app works in real life. So if you're ready to take your mobile editing to the next level, VN might be just the tool you've been looking for. All right, let's dive into InVideo, an app that's totally remodeling mobile editing with its AI-powered approach. Unlike CapCut or VN, which gives you a blank canvas and editing tools, InVideo turns your text ideas into fully fledged videos in minutes. It's like having a video production team right in your pocket. Enough with the pocket metaphors. But it comes with its own set of challenges. All right, so how does it work? You start by typing out your ideas and AI does the heavy lifting. It pulls from a massive library of over 16 million stock media assets, so no more endless scrolling through stock footage sites or worrying about copyright issues. But can AI really capture your creative vision? I say maybe you can put it to the test. Spend some time playing with InVideo's text-to-video feature and you'll find it pretty impressive. You type in what you want and boom, the app generates a video. One of the coolest features is voice generation. It's like having a personal sound engineer, I know, in your pocket, creating human-sounding voiceovers with over 15 different voices to choose from. So for creators who don't like being so visible or audible, this is a game changer. InVideo speeds up the creative process, but you need to kind of trust its AI to interpret your vision. Is that a good idea? In one of my tests, I gave it a prompt for a heartfelt video about family reunions. But the results didn't quite capture the emotional depth I was going for. The AI struggled with nuance, generating generic scenes of families hugging without any of the warmth and personal touch I wanted. Now this highlights both the strengths and the limitations of InVideo. It is incredibly fast and easy to use, but you do sacrifice some manual control, sometimes a lot. If you're used to the precision editing of CapCut or VN, this might feel a bit limiting at first. It is a completely different workflow that takes some getting used to. That said, I think it's worth including here because InVideo allows for easy modifications after the AI generates your video. You can adjust the pacing, change the music, or even completely rewrite sections. It's much more flexible than traditional editing methods where major changes often mean starting from scratch again. So while it might not perfectly capture your initial vision, it gives you a solid starting point that you can then refine to match your creative ideas. And if you use it in that way, it can give you a massive head start in your video creation process. CapCut offers a user-friendly interface with extensive effects. VN Video Editor provides professional-grade tools for precise edits, and InVideo stands out with AI-powered features and templates. Looking ahead, AI is going to transform mobile editing with automated processes and intelligent tools, and it's going to open up some really exciting creative possibilities in the future. Give them all a try and share your comments and creations in the comments. Your phone is your personal pocket editing studio. Check out this video on how to pull together a video in any editor from scratch, and I'll see you there.